If you're a business owner that is confused on where to be able to get your business found or how to be able to get your business found by more customers, to get more sales, to get more traffic, to be able to get more leads, whatever your goal might be on that, it is one of those things to where you're trying to find a solution. You can either toss more money at ads. You can use one of those guys that are calling you and saying, hey, your business isn't registered on voice search or not registered on Google. And I really predict, and I've said it a few times inside of a lot of my videos, is I think you're going to see a trend in 2025 where they're calling up and saying you're not being found on AI search. And the big question is, what is AI search and why should you care as a business owner? And AI search is when someone uses AI to be able to search for your business. They might use Gemini, they might use ChatGPT, they might be directly inside of Google or might be directly inside of Bing. They might use voice search to be able to make that search happen. And what happens is that is going to go out and it's going to look for data. And what simplybefound.com has always said that we do is we take your business data and we turn it into advertising, because all that data points are going to matter to being able to get found no matter where they're looking for you. They have to be able to show that you are a trustworthy source. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to solve it with the three-pillar process. You're going to solve it with content, authority, and trust. So you're going to make sure you get registered in those right spots and be able to provide that data, which is going to be registering in all the different networks that we work with, which is roughly around 500 different networks. The next thing is being able to provide more information. The more information you provide over to these searches, the better off you are. And you have to talk about real world problems. What would someone look at? Because when you're talking about AI search, people are asking, how find a roofer near me inside of your city. And when they dive into it and they get that result list, okay, who would best solve this problem? And then it's going to narrow it down to even fewer people. And if it wasn't said inside of your social media, or wasn't said inside of your keywords, or if it wasn't said on your website, then you are going to be left behind. But if your competition has that inside of that same spot, they're going to come up higher in that search and they're going to now get that customer because their information got provided. So they're talking to that AI. They're talking through that problem of what they're looking to solve. No matter if it might be their kid's birthday is going to be happening at this restaurant and they're looking for this kind of food, or it might be someone looking for a restaurant that's gluten-free or has this kind of taco, or whatever it might be, you have to make sure you're talking about that. Talking about real things that you've solved, real things you offer, and be genuine. So as you put everything together, you have to make sure you're found in the right spots, and AI is going to be an excellent spot to be able to do that. So come check us out at simplybefound.com, where we make it simple to get registered inside of AI today and be found on AI search, voice search, and beyond.